Hi Starseeds, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be giving you two very delicious summer salads that you guys are going to enjoy so much. And also if you're having a barbecue or get-togethers this summer, you can always make these salads as a side dish to your vegan barbecue. But before we get into the kitchen, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notifications bell so you can be notified every single time we upload a video. So let's get in the kitchen. The first thing we're gonna do is make the sauce or the dressing for the salad. So I've got 2 lemons here and we really wanna squeeze the juice out of them as much as we can. That's why I'm using my little handy device here. So we're just going to place it over the blender and squeeze, oh my God. And the reason why we squeeze the lemon juice in first is so that the blender can easily blend. Just the smell of lemons remind me so much of summer. And the great thing about adding lemon juice to this salad is that you're gonna be getting a lot of vitamin C because as you know, lemon juice does contain vitamin C. So our lemon juice is in and now we're just gonna go in with 60 grams of fresh basil leaves. So I just have a very ripe avocado here. As you can see, voila, beautiful. And what we're gonna do is place this in the blender as well. And this is gonna give our salad a nice creamy texture, or should I say it's gonna give our sauce a nice creamy texture. So what we're gonna do, scoop it out with a spoon and place it in. I know I didn't really do that as eloquently as I should have, but that's okay. There we go, place it in. So now I'm going in with 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of agave nectar. This is gonna give it a nice sweetness to our citrusy flavor. Okay, Starseeds, it's time to blend this up. So depending on how big your lemons are, you might need to add a tablespoon or 2 of water to get everything blended. So I'm going to add a tablespoon at first, just to see if that blends up. Okay, so our sauce is ready. I actually added in 3 tablespoons of water. It is meant to be a chunky kind of sauce, but if you have a Vitamix or a better blender than I do, then you shouldn't have a problem blending it all up, even without water. But look at that, that's beautiful. Oh yeah. So now that our sauce is ready, we're gonna go ahead and assemble our salad. So here I've got 280 grams of cooked quinoa. So I've cooked my quinoa and it's cooled completely because this is meant to be a cold salad. So now we're gonna just plate it into our bowl of choice. Just put it in there. And I love these salads for summertime. They're just so refreshing and beautiful. Put that in there. I'm gonna add the sauce into our quinoa. Oh yes, delicious. So you just wanna mix it up. And then we have a lot of lovely toppings for the salad. Just make sure you mix it up really well so the quinoa is combined with the basil sauce. Okay, so to this, we're gonna be adding some spring onion. And by the way, all of the grams are gonna be in the description below. This is just 1 very large spring onion. And then we're gonna be adding 2 large cucumbers. So good. And don't forget your cherry tomatoes. Ah! Oh, this is just so lovely. I love all the different colors. And finally, we're adding in some parsley. So now, we're just gonna mix this up. Just wanna mix it up, making sure that all the ingredients are combined well. To bring it all together, I'm gonna be using some toasted sesame oil, and a little goes a long way when you're using sesame oil, and it's so delicious and adds so much flavor to the dish. And that's all. So now that our quinoa salad is done, we're going to move on to our Bowtie pasta. Now, starting with the sauce, we're gonna measure out 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. This is vegan mayonnaise, and I actually really enjoy this brand. It's Bowtie, it's a German brand, I think. and it's absolutely delicious. So we're using 3/4 of a cup. And now we're just gonna place it into our bowl. Oh yeah, look at that creaminess. So good. So I'm adding in a teaspoon of mustard. It's gonna give us a nice sour flavor and nice color, followed by 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We're adding in a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and finally 1 tablespoon of agave nectar. So now you just want to mix all the ingredients up until it's a nice, smooth and delicious consistency. Okay guys, it's done and it's so delicious. So our sauce is ready and we're gonna set that aside because now it's time to take our cooked and cooled Bowtie pasta and place it into our bowl of choice. We are adding in 4 large chopped red peppers. And this brings a really nice, unique flavor and crunch to the pasta. And then we're also going in with some dill. This is fresh dill, finely chopped, using my mezzaluna. So now all you have to do is drizzle on that delicious mayonnaise sauce. And this is gonna taste so good with the dill and the red peppers. So now we're just going to mix everything together. Just mix it all up until every single Bowtie pasta is covered in this delicious sauce. And if your pasta is a little bit sticky, don't worry about it because as soon as you put in the mayonnaise sauce, everything will be silky smooth. Summer salad number 2 is ready. So these are our 2 summer salads that are absolutely delicious. Starting with the quinoa salad, I just want to say that the sauce is incredibly delicious. The combination of the basil leaves with avocado and citrus just gives it such a summer vibe and light sort of flavor to your salad. And also, since there's a lot of vitamin C, it really helps with the absorption of all the nutrients that you're getting in the quinoa and all the vegetables. Now let's move on to our Bowtie pasta. So Greg actually really loves this Bowtie pasta. This is his favorite, and I can see why. The mayonnaise dressing goes so well with the dill, and dill adds this nice herby flavor. And you have the nice crunch from the peppers. And it's just a very delicious dish that you can have on hand if you're having a barbecue or a get-together. So I've got both salads in front of me and I'm going in for the quinoa and basil salad. Ready? It's so good. It's very light because you have the lemon juice really taking over the ingredients, but then you have a little bit of that basil and the herbs coming through, and also the avocado, which is giving it a nice creaminess. Excellent. Moving on to the second salad. Creamy, dill-y, and just really delicious. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel, guys, because we are providing you with a lot of plant-based goodness every single week. So I'll see you guys next time.